Okay, for these tile problems, we need to find out what's happening between the tiles, right? So if I look from this to here, from figure 2 to figure 3, it looks like they added one tile over here, and then it looks like they added these 2 tiles over here, right? And let's see if that holds up moving from figure 3 to figure 4, right? So figure 3 to figure 4. So it looks like, yes, again, they added one here, and it looks like they added 2 tiles here. So now we can kind of see the pattern, right? So first for A, it says how many tiles are in each figure. We can just count. Well, actually, first, I stand corrected. It says draw the first and fifth. So I'm going to go backwards to the first, right? So that means that, and I'll change colors here. That means to go backwards, this is going to get removed, and these are going to get removed, right, to go backwards. So that would mean that it would look like that, right? That's what's remaining. So there's figure 1, right? Figure 1. And then it says draw figure 5, right? So figure 5 out here. So I'm going to have to add 1 to the left, right? So I could put it like here, right? So there's another tile. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 single tiles there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to add 2 here, right? So what's that? First I draw my 3, right? And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's my figure, right? So question A says how many tiles are in each figure, and we can just add them up, right? So figure 1, right, has 5. Figure 2, we add 3 to it, right? So it has 8. Figure 3, we add 3 to that. It has 11. Figure 4 has 14, and figure 5 has 17, right? So there's the number in each figure. And then it says, describe how the pattern is changing. So this could vary, right? You could get explicit and you could say 1 tile gets added to the left, 2 get added to the right. But in general, 3 tiles get added to each figure, right? That's sufficient, right? And then for C, it says, how many tiles would the 6th figure have? Well, the 6th figure, right, 6th, would have 3 more than the 5th. So 17 plus 3 would be 20 tiles, right? Now for the 10th, we could try to figure out an equation, but I'm just going to say, let's just go 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So we're going to add 3 to each one. So 23, 26, 29, 32. So 32 tiles for figure 10, right? And we've satisfied the work for this problem.